Friends, let's create a paper Christmas decoration together. I choose blue scrapbooking cardboard, a pastry napkin, Victorian-style picture, glitter cardboard, tinting ink, and small snowflake bottom. First, I draw the outline of a Christmas star on the cardboard and cut out two identical parts. Between that two stars, I glue a silver thread to hang the decoration. It's very easy. I used super glue. And after this, on the back of the star, glue napkin. Using a sponge, tint the edges of the decoration with ink and add a bit of winter style. We barely touch the paper, like this. Not to make dirty, but make it a little bit vintage. And then we should cut out a picture with a vintage image. I choose this girl with Christmas tree. So I love this style. And we work in scrapbooking technique. It should be like this, but from the golden cardboard we should cut out three circles of the different size and glue them and fix the picture on the top like this. One and two more. Yeah. So sparkling elements are very nice here. Add a small bow of a contrasting color to the top after this girl. So like this, look. I cut it, the element from the bottom, made bow and glue it. And the last step, we should glue a snowflake on the top with a glue gun, hot glue. So look how beautiful decoration we made using the scrapbooking technique. And I decided to add some pearls points with this liner. I hope you like it. It's very easy. We can do it by ourselves with our friends and children. So let's make beautiful decorations together and stay in contact.